To cook beef joint in the oven, first preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Combine a fourth cup, 60 milliliters of olive oil, and 3 cloves of minced garlic in a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon, 3 grams of rosemary, 1 tablespoon, 3 grams of thyme, 2 teaspoons, 12 grams of salt, and 1 teaspoon, 2 grams of black pepper. Rub the seasoning mixture all over the beef, then place the beef in a roasting rack inside of a roasting pan. Put the beef in the oven and roast it for 15 minutes. Then, lower the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and continue roasting the beef for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Finally, remove the beef from the oven and let it sit for 30 minutes before serving. To cook beef joint in a slow cooker, first, prepare the seasoning by mixing 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of whole grain mustard with half a tablespoon, 3 grams of mustard powder in a bowl, and half a tablespoon, 1.5 grams of rosemary, 1 crushed garlic clove, half a tablespoon, 9 grams of sea salt, and half a teaspoon, 1 gram of black pepper. Rub the mixture over the beef. Then line the bottom of the slow cooker with sliced onions and carrots and place the seasoned beef on top. Pour 2 cups, 500 milliliters of beef stock into the slow cooker and put the lid on. Cook the beef on low for 3 hours.